Artificial intelligence is transforming how we work, live, and interact. But with that power comes serious risks, bias, misuse, surveillance, and more. That's why AI guardrails matter. These are the technical tools, legal frameworks, and ethical protocols that ensure AI systems operate safely, fairly, and within legal limits. So what are the real-world tools and policies making AI responsible? Let's break it down. First, the technical guardrails. These are built into the AI systems themselves to reduce harm and enforce accountability. Start with bias detection and fairness tools, like IBM's AI Fairness 360, Microsoft FairLearn, or Google's Fairness Indicators. These scan data and models for discriminatory patterns and offer fixes before deployment. Then, there's explainability. Tools like SHAP and Lime help uncover how AI makes decisions. If a loan denial was based on zip code instead of credit score, these frameworks reveal it, making AI more transparent and contestable. Another major category: model monitoring. Platforms like Arise AI and Fiddler AI track deployed models for things like data drift, anomalies, or degrading performance over time. They serve as real-time warning systems to prevent AI from going rogue. And finally, privacy-preserving methods like differential privacy and federated learning. These protect individual data while still letting AI learn useful patterns, crucial for compliance with privacy laws like GDPR. On the legal side, we have an evolving web of AI regulations and data protection laws. The EU AI Act, set to begin enforcement in 2025, is the most comprehensive. It bans dangerous AI like real-time biometric surveillance and tightly regulates high-risk systems, like AI in hiring, policing, or healthcare. These systems must prove safety, fairness, and transparency before hitting the market. In the US, there's no central AI law yet, but frameworks like the Blueprint for an AI Bill of Rights and NIST's AI Risk Management Framework offer voluntary guidance. Meanwhile, state laws, like New York City's audit rule for hiring algorithms, are starting to raise the bar. And globally, principles from groups like the OECD, UNESCO, and the IEEE set international standards on fairness, accountability, and safety. These aren't laws, but they shape policy and corporate ethics codes everywhere. Data is AI's lifeblood and a top risk. That's where privacy and security protocols come in. Techniques like differential privacy ensure that AI systems don't accidentally reveal personal details by adding mathematical noise to outputs. The U.S. Census used this in 2020 to protect everyone's identities. Federated learning allows AI to train across devices, like smartphones, without sending raw data to central servers. It's a privacy-by-design approach used by companies like Google in mobile keyboards, and to prevent misuse, AI platforms apply moderation filters, usage policies, and watermarking tools. These are especially important for generative models like ChatGPT or image generators, which could be misused for deepfakes or disinformation if not tightly controlled. So who enforces these guardrails? Developers are the first line of defense. They're responsible for building fairness, privacy, and robustness into the model before it's ever deployed. Organizations must set up internal ethics boards, audit processes, and monitoring systems. The goal: responsible deployment, not just functional performance. And policymakers set the outer boundaries through laws, regulations, and enforcement. They decide what's acceptable AI and what's not. Together, these groups make sure AI isn't just powerful, it's safe, lawful, and aligned with human values. We've already seen what happens with and without guardrails. Amazon's AI hiring tool failed due to bias, downgrading resumes from women. It was scrapped. No fairness guardrails equals reputational damage. The Tay chatbot from Microsoft, taken down in 16 hours after trolls taught it to post hate speech. No content moderation equals public disaster. On the flip side, the U.S. Census used differential privacy to secure citizen data, showing that advanced privacy guardrails can work at national scale. Guardrails aren't just a best practice, they're a necessity. From technical safeguards to legal rules, these tools are the reason AI can be powerful without being dangerous. As AI evolves, so must our guardrails. But one thing's clear: without them, the risks of misuse, harm, and bias are too great to ignore. This is how we build ethical AI. This is how we make it safe.